Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did question number 2 from exercise 5.5. The topic is more complex equations. Today we are going to do question number 3 and you will see in question number 3 that how to solve complex equations. But before I start question number 3, I would suggest all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is ADMath. Watch previous lectures of this exercise and this chapter. After watching previous lectures, you will have good command on this topic. So let's start question number 3. Solve. Part A. X minus 7 root x plus 10 is equals to 0. Very easy. Let y equals to root x. So y square is equals to x. Now replace x by y square minus 7 y plus 10 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can easily solve by using factorization, that is middle term break method. So y square minus 5y minus 2y plus 10 is equals to 0. Taking y is common, y minus 5 minus 2 is common, y minus 5 is equals to 0. Y minus 5 and y minus 2 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 5 and y is equals to 2. What is y? Root x. So root x is equals to 5 and root x is equals to 2. Taking square on both sides, so square can cancel root, so x is equals to 25 and 2 square is 4, so 25 comma 4 is our answer. So very easy question. You can see this is called the method of substitution. Method of substitution can easily solve any given complex equation. Move to part B. X minus root x minus 12 is equals to 0. Again we have to apply let y is equals to root x, so it is x means y square minus y minus 12 is equals to 0. Again you are seeing a quadratic equation which can easily solve by method of factorization. 4 3 is 12, 4y 3y minus 12 is equals to 0. Y is common, y minus 4, 3 is common, y minus 12. So y minus 4 and y plus 3 is equals to 0 and y is equals to 4 and minus 3. What was y? Y is root x, which I didn't mention in part B but I mentioned in part A, and y is equals to negative 3. So taking square on both sides and square on both sides, square and root cancel, x is equals to 16 and this is not satisfied because root x cancel and x is equals to 9. But if you put 9 in your equation, you will see that your answer is not satisfied. So we will not take this value. The only answer is 16. You can put 16 in the given equation. You will see that 16 minus 4 is 12, 12 minus 12 is 0. But x is equals to 9 is not satisfied. Move to part C. X plus 5 root x minus 24 is equals to 0. Again, take y is equals to root x, so it is y square 5y negative 24 is equals to 0. 8 3 is a 24 and 8 minus 3 is 5. Method of factorization. 8y minus 3y 24 is equals to 0. Y plus 8 y plus 8 is equals to 0. Y plus 8 y minus 3 is equals to 0. This implies that y is equals to negative 8 and y is equals to positive 3. Taking y is root x and y is root x, taking square on both sides, root x, x is equals to 64, root x 3 square is 9. But we have to take only the answer is 9, because if you put 64 in the given equation, the equation is not satisfied. So 64 is not admissible. Okay, the only answer is 9. Move to part D. Root x 2 plus root x is equals to 35. Taking, let y is equals to root x, so y into 2 plus y is equals to 35. Then 2y plus y square, and 35 can be shifted over here, it is minus 35. Write in order, y square plus 2y minus 35 is equals to 0. So 7 5s are 35, 7 minus 5 2. Method of factorization is good. Y plus 7 minus 5 y plus 7 is equals to 0. So y plus 7 y minus 5 is equals to 0. Y is equals to minus 7, y is equals to 5. Y is what? Root x is equals to minus 7. Root x is equals to 5. Squaring on both sides in both the equation, x is equals to 49, x is equals to 25. But we have to take only answer 25, because if you put 25 in the given equation, you will get 35. But if you put 49 in the equation, you will not get 35. So 49 is not admissible. The only answer is x is equals to 25. Move to part E. What is part E? 8x minus 18 root x plus 9 is equals to 0. Let y is equals to root x, so it is 8y square minus 18y, 9 is equals to 0. 9 8s are 72 and 12 6s are 72, 12 and 6 is 18. So 8y square minus 12y minus 6y plus 9 is equals to 0. This is the method of middle term. So taking 4y is common, 2y minus 3 minus 3 is common, 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. 2y minus 3, 4y minus 3 is equals to 0. 2y minus 3 is equals to 0 and 4y minus 3 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 3 upon 2, y is equals to 3 upon 4. What is y? Y is root x. Root x is equals to 3 upon 2. Root x is equals to 3 upon 4. Squaring on both sides in both the equation. Square and root cancel. X is equals to 9 upon 4. Square and root cancel. X is equals to 16. Sorry, 9 upon 16. 9 upon 4 and 9 upon 16 is our final answer. So both answer will be acceptable, because if you put both answer one by one in the given equation, the equation must be satisfied. So checking is very important. I have practiced, that's why I am not checking, but you must do practice in order to put the values of x in the given equation and check whether the equation is satisfied or not. Move to part F. 6x plus 11 root x minus 35 is equals to 0. Let y is equals to root x, 6y square plus 11 11y minus 35 is equals to 0. So 35 6 are 210 and so 21 tens are 210, 21y minus 10y minus 35 is equals to 0. This is the factorization middle term break method. Taking 3y is common, 2y plus 7 minus 5 is common, 2y plus 7 is equals to 0. So 2y plus 7, 3y minus 5 is equals to 0. This implies that y is equals to minus 7 upon 2 and y is equals to 5 upon 3. Y is root x. Y is root x. Taking square both sides in both the equation. X is equals to 49 upon 9 and x is equals to 25 upon 9. But 25 upon 9 is the correct answer, because when you put 49 upon 9 in the given equation, the equation will not be satisfied. Sorry for this. Sometime I don't know why window open automatically. So not admissible 49 upon 9. Move to part G. What is G? 2x plus 4 is equals to 9 root x. Again, taking y is equals to root x, so it is 2y square plus 4 is equals to 9y. 2y square minus 9y plus 4 is equals to 0. 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 and 1 9. 2y square minus 8y minus y plus 4 is equals to 0. 2y is common, y minus 4 minus 1 is common, y minus 4 is equals to 0. So 2y minus 1, y minus 4 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 1 upon 2, y is equals to 4. And y was root x. Taking square both sides in both the equations, we will get x is equals to 1 upon 4 and x is equals to 16. And both answer will be acceptable because if you put the values of x one by one in the given equation, the equation will be satisfied. And satisfying the equation, I am lefting for you this work because you can easily check. Move to part H. Three root x plus 5 root x is equals to 16. Let y is equals to root x, so 3y plus 5 upon y is equals to 16. Taking y's LCM, 3y square plus 5 is equals to 16. 3y square plus 5 is equals to 16y. 3y square minus 16y plus 5 is equals to 0. 5 3 the 15, 15 1 the 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. 3y square minus 15y minus y plus 5 is equals to 0. This is 15. Taking 3y is common, y minus 5 minus 1 is common, y minus 5 is equals to 0. Y minus 5, 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 5 and y is equals to 1 upon 3. What was y? Y is root x. X is equals to 25 and x is equals to 1 upon 9. And both the answer will be acceptable because if you put values of x one by one in the given question, you will see both values will satisfy the given question. Move to last part, I. I 2 root x 4 upon root x is equals to 9. Let y is equals to root x, 2y plus 4 upon y is equals to 9. Taking y's LCM, so it is 2y square plus 4 is equals to 9y. 2y square minus 9y plus 4 is equals to 0. 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 2y square minus 8y minus y plus 4 is equals to 0. 2y, y minus 8, sorry, y minus 4, and taking minus 1, minus 4 is equals to 0. 2y minus 1, y minus 4 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 1 upon 2 and y is equals to 4. But y was, we let root x. Taking square on both sides in both the equation, 4 square is 16. So our answer is 1 upon 4 and 16. And we will accept both the answers because when you put the values of x in the given question one by one, you will see that both answer will be satisfied. So this is question number 3. There are I parts and we did all I parts. Okay, let's do question number 4. Very easy. This will be the last question in our today's class. Very easy question. Solve the equation 2x 2 upon 3 7x 1 upon 3 plus 6 is equals to 0. Let y is equals to x 1 upon 3. Squaring on both sides. Y square is equals to x 1 upon 3 square. Y square is x 2 upon 3. So the equation becomes 2y square minus 7y plus 6 is equals to 0. 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 plus 3 is 7. 2y square minus 4y minus 3y 6 equals to 0. 2y is common, y minus 4, sorry, y minus 2 minus 3 is common, y minus 2 is equals to 0. Y minus 2, 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 2, y is equals to 3 upon 2. But this is not our final answer, because if the question is in the form of x, the answer should also be in the form of x. What was y? Y we let x power 1 upon 3 to x power 1 upon 3 is equals to 3 upon 2. Taking cube on both sides, so 3 cancel by 3 and it is 2 cube, and 3 cancel by 3 and it is 3 upon 2 cube. So x is equals to 8 and 3 upon 2 cube is 27 upon 8. So these two are our answer, 8 and 27 upon 8. So question number 4 was very easy, and even remaining questions are also very easy, but we will do remaining questions in next lecture. How many questions are left? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I will finish all these questions in a single lecture. I will promise in a single lecture. So student, this is our today's class. I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.